Embarking on the keto journey doesn't have to be a drain on your wallet. Contrary to popular belief, thriving on the keto diet is not reserved for those with hefty grocery budgets. Picture a lifestyle where you shed pounds while also saving dollars. How can you transform your approach to the keto diet, making it both economical and effective? Are you ready to discover that ketosis doesn't have to come at the cost of your bank account? Join us on a wallet-friendly adventure as we unveil practical strategies, budget-friendly recipes, and real success stories that prove you can conquer keto without breaking the bank. It's time to redefine the economics of wellness. Let's talk affordable keto staples. Nourishing without draining your wallet. In the quest for keto success on a budget, the foundation lies in affordable staples that fuel your body without breaking the bank. Imagine a world where your grocery cart is filled with nutrient-packed essentials that won't dent your wallet. How do you navigate the aisles to find the perfect balance between health and affordability? A. Low-cost protein sources. Step into a realm where protein-rich options don't strain your budget. We explore budget-friendly protein sources such as eggs, canned tuna, chicken thighs, and more. If you would like higher quality and are willing to spend a bit more, you can opt for free-range, pasture-raised eggs and chicken as well. This also supports regenerative-based farming, which is more ethical. Learn how these wallet-friendly choices can become the backbone of your keto meals, ensuring you meet your protein needs without a financial burden. B. Budget-friendly fats. Unlock the secret to affordable, healthy fats that keep you in ketosis. From cooking oils to nuts and seeds, we guide you through cost-effective options that enhance the flavor and satiety of your keto dishes. C. Affordable low-carb vegetables. Picture a colorful array of low-carb veggies gracing your plate without draining your resources. We delve into economical choices like spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. Explore creative ways to incorporate these budget-friendly vegetables into your meals, adding variety and essential nutrients to your keto lifestyle. Now, we laid the foundation for a budget-friendly keto journey by uncovering affordable staples that nourish your body and support ketosis. Are you ready to fill your pantry with cost-effective yet nutritious essentials? Setting the stage for keto success without breaking the bank. Stay tuned for insights that promise not just financial savings, but a thriving and sustainable keto lifestyle. Let's discuss smart shopping strategies, maximizing savings on keto essentials. The keto journey is not just about what you eat, but also about how you navigate the aisles, making every shopping trip a budget-friendly adventure. Imagine a cart filled with keto essentials, each purchase a strategic move in the game of financial wellness. How do you become a savvy keto shopper, maximizing savings without compromising on quality? A. Buying in bulk for cost savings. Step into the realm of bulk buying, where purchasing keto staples in larger quantities translates to significant savings. From nuts and seeds to pantry staples like coconut oil, we unveil the secrets of buying in bulk without sacrificing freshness. Learn how a well-stocked pantry can be your ally in the quest for keto success on a budget. B. Taking advantage of sales and discounts. Picture a world where your favorite keto items are not just within reach, but also on sale. We explore the art of strategic shopping, from keeping an eye on discounts to leveraging loyalty programs. Discover how to time your purchases to align with sales, ensuring that your keto journey is not only healthy, but also economically savvy. C. Shopping for seasonal and local produce. In the garden of keto savings, seasonal and local produce bloom brightly. We guide you through the benefits of choosing fruits and vegetables that are in season and locally sourced. Learn how this not only supports your budget, but also adds variety and freshness to your keto meals. Now we discover DIY keto. Snacks and treats, conquering cravings on a budget. Cravings on the keto journey need not be a financial setback. Imagine a world where satisfying your snack desires doesn't break the bank, but still aligns with your low-carb lifestyle. How do you indulge in delicious keto treats without resorting to pricey alternatives? In this chapter, we unlock the kitchen door to affordable indulgence and budget-friendly bliss. A. Making your own keto snacks at home. Picture the joy of crafting your own keto snacks, tailor-made to suit your taste buds and budget. We explore simple yet delectable recipes for homemade treats like keto-friendly energy balls, nuts, and cheese crisps. Learn the art of preparing these snacks in batches, ensuring a constant supply without compromising your financial goals. B. Budget-friendly alternatives to expensive keto products. Navigate the aisle of keto products with discernment, discovering affordable alternatives to high-priced snacks. From DIY fat bombs to creating your own keto trail mix, we guide you through cost-effective substitutions for expensive prepackaged items. Embrace the creativity of crafting your own snacks tailored to your preferences and budget constraints. C. Balancing homemade treats with cost-effective options. In the realm of keto snacking, balance is key. Discover the equilibrium between homemade delights and budget-friendly store-bought options. We highlight cost-effective choices such as pork rinds, cheese sticks, and dark chocolate, ensuring that your snack arsenal is both diversified and economical. Empower yourself with the knowledge that indulging in keto snacks doesn't require a hefty budget. This you to embark on a journey of culinary creativity, where homemade treats and savvy choices transform cravings into affordable delights. Are you ready to conquer snack time without compromising your financial goals? Stay tuned for insights that promise not just taste, but also economic satisfaction in the world of keto snacking. Here's an example recipe of one of our favorite snacks. Certainly! One example of a low-budget keto snack that you can easily prepare at home is cheesy keto bites. Ingredients: 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 2 cup almond flour, 2 teaspoon garlic, powder, 2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon, salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Optional. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper for a spicy kick. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350° F, 175° C. 2. In a bowl, combine the shredded cheddar cheese and almond flour. 3. Add garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper to the mixture. Mix well until all ingredients are evenly combined. 4. Scoop small portions of the mixture and roll them into bite-sized balls. 5. Place the cheesy bites on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. 6. Bake in the preheated oven for about 10-12 minutes or until the edges turn golden brown. 7. Allow the cheesy bites to cool for a few minutes before serving. These cheesy keto bites are not only delicious, but also cost-effective. They provide a satisfying crunch and savory flavor, making them an ideal low-budget snack for your keto journey. Feel free to experiment with different spices or add herbs for extra flavor variations. Enjoy the budget-friendly goodness while staying true to your keto goals. Next, we discuss strategically eating out. Eating keto-friendly foods while dining out at restaurants requires strategic choices. Here are examples of how you can enjoy a keto meal at different types of restaurants. 1. Steakhouse. Choice: grilled steak or other meat options. Avoid sugary marinades. Side: non-starchy vegetables like broccoli or asparagus. Modification: ask for butter or olive oil instead of high-carb sauces. 2. Italian restaurant. Choice: grilled chicken or seafood dishes. Side: Caesar salad without croutons or sautéed spinach. Modification: substitute pasta with zucchini noodles or request a protein-centric dish. 3. Mexican restaurant. Choice: fajitas with grilled meat and vegetables. Side: guacamole, sour cream, and salsa. Watch for added sugars. Modification: skip the tortillas and rice, opt for lettuce wraps. 4. Fast food. Choice: bunless burgers or grilled chicken sandwiches. Side: side salad. Watch out for high-carb dressings. Modification: ask for no bun or wrap and avoid sugary condiments. 5. Asian restaurant. Choice: stir-fried meat or seafood with low-carb veggies. Side: steamed broccoli or cauliflower rice. Modification: request dishes without sugary sauces or opt for soy sauce. 6. Seafood restaurant. Choice: grilled fish or seafood options. Side: roasted vegetables or a side salad. Modification: avoid breaded or battered items and opt for grilled or baked preparations. Remember to communicate your dietary preferences to the server and don't hesitate to make modifications to suit your keto needs. By choosing protein-rich options, incorporating non-starchy vegetables and avoiding high-carb extras, you can enjoy a delicious keto meal while dining out. Now, supplementing on a budget. Thriving without breaking the bank. In the world of keto, strategic supplementation can be a game changer, and it doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Begin by identifying essential keto supplements that complement your dietary needs. Explore wallet-friendly alternatives that provide the same benefits, from budget-friendly multivitamins to cost-effective omega-3 sources. Avoid unnecessary expenses by steering clear of supplements that promise miracles but offer little substance. These supplements can include the following. For individuals on a keto diet, certain supplements can be beneficial to address potential nutrient gaps and support overall well-being. Here are common supplements for those following a keto diet. Individuals on a keto diet often benefit from specific supplements that address potential nutrient gaps and support overall health. Electrolytes, including sodium, potassium, and magnesium, play a crucial role in preventing imbalances and symptoms like fatigue and muscle cramps. Multivitamins are essential to ensure a comprehensive intake of vitamins and minerals that might be limited in a low-carb diet. Omega-3 fatty acids, vital for heart health, can be obtained through fish oil or algae supplements. Vitamin D, crucial for bone health and immunity, may require supplementation, especially if sun exposure is limited. Adding fiber sources like psyllium husk or chia seeds helps maintain digestive health. MCT oil supplements or coconut oil provide readily available energy for those in ketosis. Collagen supplements or bone broth support joint health, skin elasticity, and hair nail growth. It's crucial to consider individual dietary needs, health conditions, and consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating supplements into a keto lifestyle. So how do we put it together? Meet Sarah, a budget-savvy keto enthusiast who turned her financial constraints into a triumph of wellness. Battling both the bulge and budget concerns, Sarah embraced the keto lifestyle with strategic finesse. Her secret? Smart meal planning and budget-friendly grocery hauls. Sarah opted for affordable protein sources like eggs, canned tuna, and chicken thighs, crafting diverse and satisfying meals. She mastered the art of bulk buying and took advantage of local produce sales, making fresh, low-carb veggies a staple. Sarah's success lies in DIY keto snacks, creating energy-boosting treats at a fraction of the cost. Her tip? Embrace the power of community engagement. Swap recipes, share budget-friendly hacks, and find solidarity in the journey. Sarah not only shed pounds, but also proved that keto victory doesn't have to break the bank. Her story inspires us to thrive on a budget while achieving our keto goals. In the grand finale of our Keto Budget Guide, we've unraveled the secrets of culinary creativity, strategic shopping, and community camaraderie. From affordable staples to wallet-friendly supplements, we've showcased how the keto journey can be both transformative and economical. Real-life success stories like Sarah's stand testament to the possibility of thriving on a budget without compromising on health. Now the spotlight is on you. Embrace the practical tips, engage with the vibrant keto community, and let the journey of wellness and financial prudence begin. Whether you're a seasoned keto warrior or just starting, the call to action is clear. Redefine your keto adventure, share your insights, and join the collective pursuit of a thriving, budget-friendly lifestyle. Together, we'll amplify the chorus of keto success without breaking the bank. Ready to redefine? Your keto journey awaits. Step into a world where health and budget harmony is not just a goal, but a sustainable reality.